Right, it's a Saturday. We're going down the famous MG Road. I've just had my cat cleaned. It's all white, and it costs 70 rupees. I'm very happy. It was really dirty. Now it's really clean. MG Road. All sorts of things going on here. Your usual tourist stuff. Saturday morning's quite busy. It's actually Eid at the moment, Eid holiday. It's very quiet. Seems more quiet than usual. You can get all your spices and all your bits and pieces there.
You can just convince yourself if you want something.
Thank you. My family are up there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where are you from? The States?
Yeah, London. So they're up there. I'll try and show you a bit more of MG Road, not just me. I'll turn the camera around.
Broadway.
Okay, slight correction, it's not MG Road, it's Broadway. We were going to MG Road. Now it looks like Broadway. Yeah, Broadway. Eliana's wearing my black cap. I've got my nice white zingy cap. Where's the camera? Is it that side or that side? That side. Try and look in the camera. So this is the Broadway. Not to be confused with Ealing Broadway.
Yeah.
A far cry from Ealing Broadway. What's in here? Some stationery place. Quite boring. I'll leave this one out. Actually, a stationery place isn't that boring, actually. They still do a lot of pens in India. Pens are still big. So, I mean, remember the day when we used to get lots of pens in display cases? Well, they still do it here, look. They have a whole selection of different pens. Because they still write down a lot of stuff, like in stores, you'll see people writing down the cost of stuff on pieces of paper. Pens are still quite big. Look, I mean, look at all these pens. I mean, there's many more pens than you see in England. Look at all those pens everywhere. Sorry to go on about it, but I mean, come on. If you go to WH Smith now, you see maybe a dozen pens on display. Look at that. Interesting. So stationery places can be exciting, right?
We are not getting place here.
What are you looking at that? What's that?
This stuff is my play.
Oh. Okay.
We
Interesting.
have enough clay though.
Well, we're still on the Broadway. Trying to find some exciting things for you guys to look at. Mampili Dispensary. That looks pretty old, that sign. What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, mine just disintegrated.
Yes, hello, come spices.
Hello, how my friend?
Saffron, vanilla, yes, ma'am.
YouTube. Say hello. What you got here? Tell me what you have.
Kerala spices, saffron, vanilla. This for black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, white pepper. No need to buy. Looking from.
Okay, so if they want to come, they come. Is this your name?
For Kerala masala.
That's your name?
Kerala masala.
Okay, when you come to the Broadway,
Yes.
you come to this place, and this man will serve you. He will serve you. Yeah, thank you. Good, free advertising for you. Look at, very nice. Look at all this selection here. Look at all this. Wow. Cinnamon. Pretty good stuff. So come here if you want in the Broadway. Very nice place. Oh, look at that. Look at the selection in there. Look. Let me have a quick look. Look at that. Look at all this. Wow, you got amazing selection. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that in there. That is amazing selection. That's really good. Look at all that. Yeah, that's definitely. We'll come back. Thank you. London. So that's good. That's a nice place. Yeah, so you like your spices? Come to the Broadway. Ah, spicy. So we are at the Broadway. We're at the Broadway Municipal Corporation of India. The Broadway. Yay. I don't know if you ever fancy being an electrician in Kerala. Any electricians out there fancy a go at this? Thing is, they seem to know whatever wire goes where. I've seen electricians out and they seem to know all the wires. Although for me it seems like a bit daunting. Can you see all those wires there? I mean, but there's, like I always say, there is order in the chaos. They actually know where the wires go. I've seen them before and they know what they're doing, but that's the way it is. That's the way it looks. That's India. Chaotic but orderly. That random car coming for me. Oh, just made it. Yeah, you can buy coconuts if you want. Have a little coconut on the way. A little bit of coconut water. Inside those coconuts, there's a nice meal full of big coconut, and then you have a drink as well. You have a drink of the coconut juice, then you eat the coconut. Here's another shop we're coming to. Let's see if we can find Eliana at that top that she wants. Huh? Oh. We're trying to select a dress for Eliana. It's very difficult, we see.
Yes, it's your size.
She has all this choice in the whole store to choose anything she wants. Oh, this is like a marketplace. Oh, there's lots of different stores here. Okay. Lots of different stores in there.
Oh, look at this, Eliana.
We'll find something for Eliana eventually. What's this? Good? I'm gonna let her look at that.
Why do you need this big?
Just thought I'd do some interviews, on the street interviews.
You can wear Dada's t-shirt.
So what do you think of this shop? What do you like about it the best?
I like the fact that everything's shooting to lots of ladies, lots of dresses.
Oh really? Lots of dresses.
Yes, I love the dresses, I love the selection. Very, very good. It's very good to come here as knock as you like. The dresses are fantastic.
Really? Okay, thanks very much. Let's see if we can get her something here.
denim skirt ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇವುಗಳ size.
Denim skirt we're looking for, is it? Denim skirt.
Bottoms is not actually a big for her. She doesn't like any. Maybe she.
Quite interesting. You can buy one kilogram of surplus dresses for 777 rupees. I don't understand that. 1 kilogram of surplus dresses? I don't know. Is that's so they can resell them, or I don't know. That's weird. Anyone knows what that means? Let me know.
Okay, right leg in there.
What's in here? Oh, more Chinese plastic toys. So we need more of those. Nice fragrance shop there. Hi there. So that was the Broadway. I think we're going back now to, I think we're going to MG Road now.